Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I believe you will be happy and be safe in your home. I am your English teacher Kirtika. In last class, we saw a collective noun and abstract noun. In this week, we are going to learn about a supplementary reader, such an interesting story which is taken from the first unit, Exploring Space. This topic is let us read Lost in Space. Lost in Space, page number 92. Okay. So here the two friends are there, Amudan and Nilavan. Both of them were visited the Space Museum. They saw a model of a space shuttle. Unfortunately, they were locked inside the space shuttle and they moved on to the space station. So what are the struggles they felt about in a space station? Who are the person they met in a space and how they came back into Earth? These are the things we learned about in this lesson. Okay, shall we start now? Look at this picture. Look at this picture. So these are the models of a space shuttle. Okay. So, Amudan and Nilavan visited the Space Museum. They saw a model of a space shuttle. Both of them were friends. They visited the Space Museum. They saw a different model of a space shuttle. Then, Nilavan found a latch and opened the shuttle. Latch means talpal. Okay. Then Nilavan found a latch and opened the space shuttle. They entered the shuttle and the door locked. They entered into the shuttle. Immediately the door get locked. Okay, this is a picture of the space shuttle. These are the two friends, Amudan and Nilavan. They entered into the space shuttle. Immediately the door get locked. Okay, so now they were trapped inside. Trapped means ulla maatirukadu. They were trapped inside and they walked into the deck. They started moving into the deck means the surroundings of the or corridor of the space shuttle. Okay, look at this picture. This is Amudan and this is Nilavan. So they entered into the space shuttle. They watch so many switches are kept in a big screen. Okay, so Amudan asked his friends, so many switches, what does this big green switch do? So he asked his friends, இங்கே நிறைய switches இருக்கு, இங்கே ஒரு big green switch இருக்கு, so இதை நம்ம press பண்ணா என்ன நடக்கும் அப்படின்னு கேட்குறான். So immediately Nilavan said, don't touch it. No, don't touch it. நீ அதை touch பண்ணாத அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறான். Okay, so look at this picture. But Amudan had pressed the switch and the shuttle burst into outer space. So Amudan did not bother about his friend's voice, so immediately he pressed the switch and the shuttle burst out into outer space. Look at this. This is our Earth. The space shuttle moves into the space station. Okay, it starts traveling. Okay, so normally in our land we are using so many types of transport, mode of transport. In our land we are using car, bus, like that. In water we are using ship, boat. Likewise in space they are using a space shuttle, rocket. Likewise in this lesson they are travel into a space shuttle. Okay, listen. What have you done, Amudan? Nilavan asked his friend, what have you done, Amudan? நீ என்ன பண்ண அப்படின்னு கேட்குறான். Amudan said, sorry, I thought the button would open the door but looks like I hit the wrong button. Here I refers to Amudan. Amudan only press the switch. Sorry Nilavan, I thought the button would open the door. நான் என்ன நினச்சேன், the button நம்ம press பண்ணா it is a exit of the door, I think. But unfortunately I hit the wrong button. நான் தவறான பட்டனை நான் press பண்ணிட்டேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Okay, do you understand? Shall we move on to next page, page number 93. The shuttle went through a belt of asteroids. Look at this picture. The asteroids, different asteroids are coming towards the space shuttle. Listen, Amudan, an asteroid is coming toward us. Turn the shuttle. Nilavan said to Amudan, அந்த ஆஸ்ட்ராய்ட்ஸ்லாம் நம்மளை நோக்கி வந்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் டர்ன் த ஷட்டில். ஸோ அமுதன், வாட் டஸ் ஹி டூ? How will I turn the shuttle? He doesn't know how the space shuttle will be turned. So here the lever is here. Look at this picture. This is a lever. So let us try. Let me try pulling this lever. So it will be turned. Okay. Next picture. The shuttle crash landed on a new planet. Crash means மோதி ஒரு இடத்துல விழறது. Okay. So are you all right, Amudan? Nilavan asked his friend, are you all right? Next. I'm fine. Quick, we must wear a space suit. So immediately his friend Amudan said to Nilavan, I'm fine, Nilavan. Quick, we must wear a space suit. Normally in our earth we are using different kinds of dresses. For space we must using the space suit only. Okay. Then look at this picture also. This is another space shuttle. This is another space shuttle. Okay. Next, look at this picture. They wear a space suit. Look at those lights. It is coming towards us. See, both of them wear see a green light coming towards us. They ran for a shoot. Nilavan saw green lights coming towards the shuttle. So the green light flashes are coming towards Amudan and Nilavan. Look at those lights. It is coming towards us. உடனே அமுதன் என்ன சொல்கிறான், அங்கே பாரு இந்த க்ரீன் லைட்ஸ் அங்கேருந்து வருது, அதெல்லாம் நம்மளை நோக்கி தான் வருது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறான். எஸ், தே ஆர் all around us and that shuttle is very big. So look at this shuttle. This is another model of a shuttle. This green flash will comes out of that big shuttle. Okay, let us wear our shoes. So fast Amudan, let us wear our shoes, and they started move from another place. Okay, move on to next place. Okay, take page number 94. Look at this picture. Who are they? Amudan and Nilavan wear a space suit. They met a new creature. What is this? This is an alien. Alien is a kind of creature. It lives only on another planet. Look at the appearance of the aliens. It had a long horns, big eyes, skeletal muscles. Okay, skeletal body. Listen, aliens from the big shuttle shattered the windows and took them out. அந்த ஏலியன்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, அவங்களுடைய அந்த பிக் ஷட்டில்லேருந்து விண்டோஸை ஷாட்டர் மீன்ஸ் ஓப்பன் பண்ணிட்டு வெளியில் வராங்க. ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட், ப்ளீஸ் டோன்ட் பி அஃப்ரைட், தேர் இஸ் அ ப்ராப்ளம் வித் யுவர் ஷட்டில், வி கேன் ஃபிக்ஸ் இட் ஃபார் யூ. ஸோ அந்த ஏலியன்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, ஸோ டோன்ட் பி அஃப்ரைட் அமுதன் அண்ட் நிலவன், ஐ வில் சால்வ் யுவர் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். Some of the problem is in your shuttle, so we can fix it and then you move from our place அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகேவா? என்னுடைய ஸ்பேஸ் ஷட்டிலில் ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குது, நாங்கள் அந்த ப்ராப்ளமை கிளியர் பண்ணுறோம், அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்கள் இங்கேருந்து ட்ராவல் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட், how is this possible? Do you speak our language? So Amudan and Nilavan become excited. So how is this possible? Do you speak our language? எங்களுடைய லாங்குவேஜை நீங்கள் பேசுவீங்களான்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஓகேவா? Aliens replied, we can read your mind and use that to speak your language. Only we can read your mind voice only. We can't able to speak, but we can read your mind voice and use that to speak our language. அப்படின்னு சொல்லுது. The aliens gave them a special room so that they can remove their shoes and dress. So aliens welcomed the Amudan and Nilavan into their big shuttle and they give a warm welcome and they gave a special room for the children so that they can take a rest. Okay, so listen, one alien serve capsules for Amudan and Nilavan. Please rest here and eat these capsules, they are the same as your food. So normally in our earth, if we feel hunger, what can we do? We eat some food to solve our problem. So like that, in space, they ate a capsule for solve their hunger. Okay, so please take this capsule. This is same as your food. அப்படின்னு யார் சொல்கிறா? ஏலியன் சொல்லுது. ஓகேவா? So listen, look at the picture. The alien gave a small capsule and they explained they are the same as your food. உங்களுடைய ஃபுட்டுக்கு நிகரானது இந்த கேப்சூல் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. See, look at this picture. They removed the space suit and they take some rest. Okay, one alien came into our room and they with Amudan, how, hey, wake up, your ship is ready, put on your shoes, it is time to go home. So what does the alien do? They talk with Amudan. Amudan, get up, your ship is ready, I will repair the shuttle, so you take your shoes, put on your shoes, and it is a time to go to your home. Okay, next look at this picture. This is a final picture of the story. Listen, two aliens are there and Amudan and Nilavan wear a space suit. What does they converse with the children? Thank you for your help, are you coming to earth with us? So they thanked the aliens. What does they do? They thank you for your help. So the aliens repaired the space shuttle for Amudan and Nilavan. So immediately they replied, thank you for your help, are you coming to help earth with us? ஸோ உங்களுடைய உதவிக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி, நீங்களும் என்னோட எர்த்துக்கு வரீங்களா அப்படின்னு கொஷின் கேட்குறாங்க. யார் கேட்குறா? Amudan and Nilavan. The alien replied, when the time comes we will see you, when the time comes we will see you, if it possible we will come and see you அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இந்த ஸ்டோரியை கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஓகேவா? And I think you students all understand this lesson well. Okay, if you have any doubt you ask me. Listen the video and audio carefully. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I believe you will be happy and be safe in your home. I am your English teacher Kirtika. In last class, we saw a collective noun and abstract noun. In this week, we are going to learn about a supplementary reader, such an interesting story which is taken from the first unit, Exploring Space. This topic is, let us read Lost in Space. Lost in Space, page number 92. Okay. So here the two friends are there, Amudan and Nilavan. Both are